In my time here, I've learned a lot about how to be a good multicultural servant leader, and I feel like there's definitely a lot that I can take back to my church at home. Serving in a leadership team, I think there's tons of insight that I can give to my fellow leaders. Just sharing with them how to get along with other people, how to incorporate traits such as openness, acceptance, servanthood into leadership. Things that might normally be overlooked but are so important in becoming a godly leader today. The first thing I noticed upon coming to DPB House was just how diverse it is here and how there's people of all sorts of ages, walks of life, and cultures and nationalities. And yet despite all these differences, we're all united in our love for Jesus Christ. Through this whole experience, I've stepped out of my comfort zone, learned how to trust God, and just gotten that raw experience of living life with other strong believers and just experiencing what it is to be a multicultural leader in today's society. I really recommend coming to Leadership Lab International and just seeing how it can possibly change your life as well. By coming, you'll experience God and He'll take you on a journey that will change your life.